Welcome to English class. Homophones you should know. Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Sakil. Today we're exploring some commonly confused homophones words that sound the same but have different meanings in English. Let's clear up the confusions of homophones. Let's get started. First we have two, and to. To is a preposition, like in I'm going to this store. Here to is a preposition. To means also or excessively, as in I want to come to, or it's too hot. Two is the number two, like I have two cats. So two is for direction, two for excess or addition, and two is the number. Next up, right versus right. Right. Right can mean correct or direction, like you are right or turn right. Right. Right is a verb meaning to put words on paper. For example, please write your name. Remember, right has to do with correctness or direction, and right is about putting words down. Lastly, let's look at the where and where. Where is an adverb for location, asking for location. Like where are you going? Where? Where is a verb meaning to put on clothes. Like I wear a coat when it is cold. So where asks about location and where is about clothing, dressing, any kind of here you can see. And that is it for today's quick grammar lesson. Keep these homophones in mind to avoid common mistakes in your writing. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English with Sakil. For more quick tips, see you soon. See you next time.